kwakhonye ingwaqwe emaqaqeni nasezikwakweni sakhumuzi lawo nyoka satholana eziqukwini uvalo lagike esifubeni ingasokufa kanti yini ncedani bo lachitheka igazi kakhulukazi ncedani bo sathi isizwe sikamthawakazi. Our neighbors become dumb, deaf and blind, self-inflicted because of our diplomatic ties. But we are alone, Mthwakazi. We
refuse. My people have said refuse. Refuse to let your cries be muffled by diplomacy. Refuse to let your success be masked by oligarchy. They have refused you a space in their history book as if you're some road to be faced from the face of the earth. Tell them your nation despaired but not deterred. Resilient njengokretha not to kretina sisinkelu. Puma is booking us in the cities of refuge where you get the name diaspora. Women dabe nasedukuni bonke bazobona. Ngokumntana ongakhala ufele embelekweni njalo ithende lilikele likhala ligijima.
We can't take it anymore. Singabantu kaloku nathi. Our people have lived in this suffering enough. We have been victims for generations. Just imagine watching your family being killed in front of your eyes. We've been swimming in this river, filled with blood, feeling helpless. It's about time to shout for help back. It's about time for other nations, governments, organizations to show people of Mandebeleni in this sorrow. I say justice must be served.
Everything was beautiful and perfect until these murderers appeared. They held my father and forced him to watch as they raped my mother, who was carrying my 1-month-old brother on her back. My brother could not stop crying. Then they forced my mother to place her own child in the grain pounder and force him to pound him. After that, they started beating my father. They beat him so hard that he could not dance and sing anymore. Blood was gushing from his nose and mouth. His left eye was swollen, he could barely see. I sit there, terrified and paralyzed by fear. I can't run anymore. These people took everything from me. They stole my innocence, my childhood and my freedom.
Why? Why? Why them? Why the Mandebeleni? Why our brothers and sisters? Why Africa crowds made us as heroes? Why Africa turned a blind eye while our fellow Africans suffer because of other Africans? I dedicate my word in pain to value our fellow Africans' lives equal. I dedicate my word in sorrow to search for justice.
We no longer are friends. We fear nothing.